Rand, you have the afterburner on yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I still haven't got my 90mm afterburner.
Yeah, I apologize. I was actually printing them out, and so I need to do the electronics.
I was told that I need to talk to HR. I should get their email and send an email to HR.
All right, so let me get a
No, customer support.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Let
done
me get
complaining?
No.
let me get a close up of you when you take off.
Right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, going.
Sounds good, Frank. You did good.
Sounds good as well.
Did a lot of work on this thing.
No pass.
Oh yeah, that sounds
Sounds wonderful.
It sounds wunderbar. I think mine sounds better than Rand.
It actually does.
I think this is a smoother, quieter hum.
Yeah, I think I need to resend my fan to the guy who balanced it.
Motion RC.
No, that's me.
No.
It sounded good
yeah.
before. I don't know what the hell happened.
That's how it should sound.
It sounded like that originally.
Ray's the one that balanced it, huh?
I
Yeah.
balanced mine, but raised the master.
Yeah, but Rand, it sounds different. What'd you do?
Frank, I'm high.
Yeah, Rand, you need to move back from the slightly.
Oh, Rand, Frank, that sounds amazing.
Yes.
Your effort paid off.
6 hours of work.
I don't know about that long, but
Here we go.
are you guys gonna join up or what? Because it's
Yeah.
hard trying to film two.
Slowing down for you, Frank.
There you go.
Alright, I'm gonna pick him up now.
Right, let's do a nice, cool pass.
That actually you guys sound almost the same.
Low pass, one inverted, one regular.
Good stuff, guys. Whoever that was high though should have been
The
lower.
ailerons need to be, the throw needs to be lower.
Okay.
Now my elevator is perfect.
And the ailerons are off.
But is it changing?
No, we're just tuning this aircraft to how we like it.
There we go. There we go. That was better.
Yeah, I like my elevator. I do not like my ailerons as much. So I'm gonna be dialing those back.
Is this the 2000 kV setup?
2000 kV on mine.
Rand, you've got 1900?
Yep.
Okay.
I think they fly pretty much the same.
Low pass.
I'm gonna do a full speed.
Get down. Land it.
Are you landing? Alright.
I'm gonna walk out towards the runway a little bit.
I'm gonna let you land and then I'm gonna.
Nice, Frankie. Nice, Frankie. You look like you were comfortable that time.
Now I'm liking it.
That looked good, guys. Other than the little slight buzz that you got, Rand, it's still flying good.
Landing left.
All right, I'm coming out to the runway again.
Speed off-roading.
It's all right. You still got it.
Feel a very comfortable plane to land.
I think the aileron, my aileron will come way down.
Your battery's not mad either. It's only 90 degrees.
No, the battery is cool. I could have flown another minute.
Good stuff. Good job,
I may
guys.
move to the 2000 kV, Frank. Well, the bearings are bad in this
It's
one.